Chinatown. Here we come. So we are in Chinatown. We going looking for roast duck. So let's see what we got. Let's see. Wow, bright and beautiful in here. So this is the famous Chinatown. And we have fruits here. Look, check the prices. 6 for $5. It's kind of raining, drizzling a little bit as we speak. So, oh, these grapes are huge. Wow, those are huge grapes. I didn't see huge grapes like that in a long time.
I don't think we got that much.
Yep, this is Chinatown. Oh, look what I'm talking about. Wow. What? Peking duck. What? Look at that one. What? What? We love it. We're gonna have some of that in a few. All right, so let me go around a little bit more and see where my team went to. All right, my team went to another store. Let's see where they go. They went in here. Where did my team go? My team is here. You going in here? Okay. You going? What big one? Okay. And we are here. We are at the Rose Dog Spa. We're getting that today.
Okay.
Four. Nothing. Yeah. Oh, look them over there. Look this thing up over there. Yeah. Order? All right. So, country boy here. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you on the next video roast duck. What's on the menu? Out for now.